All right, guys, here's the next device. You can see it says fire. There's a big push button right there in the center. A big red octagon. There's a shield on it. To activate, lift cover, press button. So lift that up, push, and it's activated. This unit did come new in box. This is an STI model GFA2FR-EN. GF fire alarm button, key to reset with shield, red color, fire labeling. There's the back of the unit. It says GF series, non-coded alarm box, 5 amps, 30 volts DC or AC from Safety Technology International. And you have 2 terminal blocks here. These are captive screw terminals. 3 parts each. Normally closed, normally open, and common. So overall things that I kind of like about this unit, it is a fresh take on the stopper series. This is the direct replacement for them. These do have an option, if you did see on the box. It can come with a camera and they can capture video. So the camera, if this had one, would be right down here. And it is an IP video camera, meaning you can just hook it up to your local network. And you can use it to monitor the unit. You can use it like an actual security camera. And you can also use it to capture whoever might decide to try to cause a false alarm. And that's where the cool things stop with this. This unit, I do not like these. I'm gonna be straight with you guys. I do not like these. First off, fire lettering. Whoever did that, you can see it's very off center. I got a bone to pick with you about that. That's just very sloppy work. Second, and the biggest thing that I do not like, the main reason why I do not like these, is how to reset them. So you do use the key. However, the key does not directly reset the unit. You put the key in, turn it, and now you have to pry this cover off. You pry the cover off, and come up here, and there's a little lever. You can see on the back plate, it says reset. You push that over, and that resets the button. This is the dumbest design I've ever seen. I do not like it. And then to put it back into normal operation, put that back on, and then you turn the key back. I do like that STI decided to do away with the old stopper series because they're just kind of look for a little while, but this is definitely not a step forward with them. I think this is quite a step back. Other things, it's kind of bulky, if I'm being honest, for a push station. What I would like to do is I would like to get my hands on an international version of this, the Global Reset series, which looks like this, but it just has the little push element inside with the little thing that pops down. I would like to get my hands on one of those. I really would like to compare the two, but for now, this is all I have, and this I straight up, I do not like it. That's that. It's not a great design at all. So that's enough of that. Let's move on to the next device.